yesterday, from yesterday. So we are done with the table views. Okay. So now we are doing with the advanced queries here. So yesterday we have done all these select queries. So this is the grammar that we discussed yesterday. I told you. So this is where your essential class all here. Okay. So if you want to run it, so we need to have this in proper table. Then only this will be running here. Okay. So this is just a sample here. Okay. So then we are selecting it from the. This is also a table where you will be querying it. So this is all your basic queries. Okay. This is, we have done all these queries here, advanced queries also. So let's say if you want to do a nested queries, let's see this department. Okay. So I am selecting this company HR. Department ID, all that, invalid column name, all that it is coming. Company HR. Now you troubleshoot how you will do it. This error here. You are having error right here. So you have department ID, all these are getting an error message here. How you will troubleshoot? What is the issue? Yeah, Diya, are you there?
Yes, I'm here.
So you tell me what is the issue here? I am not able to resolve this. What will be the issue here?
Line 6.
Yeah, line 6.
Hello.
Yeah, line 6. Yeah, go ahead.
The freight H2007 from employees. Where?
Okay. So this is where you need to
No,
select.
you just you mentioned the invalid column and the ID.
Yeah.
Invalid ID. Yeah.
So let's take one.
Department, which is the department ID. It is invalid
Okay.
ID.
Yeah. So this is where you will be selecting all this.
Yeah.
Okay.
And also column name and department ID.
Column.
Column name, department ID.
Yeah. So that is not there here. You can see that red it is coming here. So invalid column name, all that. So this is not part of our original query. Okay. This is just a syntax here.
Oh.
Okay. So these are all syntax. This we are not using. Okay. So this will be all built-in functions. Okay. So now let's see here from our company HR. Let's say select salary, select the first name salaries from employees. Okay. So this is also a grammatical usage. Okay, it's not a query. Okay, this is just a grammatical of the core classes here. Select, so it will not work. Okay, if you want to select it, so you need to use this variation here. Okay, so let me do it here. Select column name. Okay, we will do one query here. Use company HR. Let me copy this. Use company HR. So like this you will be using it all the tables here. Select column name, you are collecting all the schema information here. This is all your schema. Okay. So now you are selecting here. This is all your grammatical here. Select ID, first name, then salary. So then you are doing a asterisk here. So everything you are returning it here. Okay. If you put this, everything will pull here. So this is why it is discouraged to put asterisk in production. Okay. So if you are putting this, then you need to put a logic here. Or else this will take out all the memory and CPU of that server. Okay. So then you have queries here from tables. Okay, so you are referencing the tables and views here. Okay, so this will be often paired with join classes. Okay. So now we will see. Let's say here where department engineering. Okay. So I will run this query. Engineering. Where department. Okay. So you have here where to where here. So this is not a proper query. This is just a individual rows. So we are picking up from the middle of the queries here. So this is where class. Okay. You cannot use it for aggregate functions, sum or average. Only for operators you will be using this. Okay. Greater than or equal to, or less than, or in or between, like. All that you will be using the where class here. So group by you will be grouping one or more columns. Okay, using the functions here. Like once you have selected it, once you have joined the multiple tables, then you will be sorting out or you will be aggregating it group by. Okay. So this is often used for getting an average or that are not aggregated. So you will be using this group by. Okay. So having filters group after aggregation. So once you do the aggregation, then it will filter these groups. Okay. So this is all theory part, we have covered it. Okay. So let's run for some after schema we will run it. Okay. Let's say from employee as employee. Let's see if this get done here. Select continue. These are all yesterday queries. Yesterday's queries here. So this is all we have covered it here. Theoretical part. Let's go for a practical here. So how many practical we have made it? These are all logical operators. This one also covered Bodmer's rule. Okay. Aggregate functions. Okay. We will see this aggregate function. Okay. Select employees with salary. You see it here now. You are getting it. Total rows 3 here. Total payroll null. Okay. Max exclude null here salaries. You are counting it. Select count total rows. Count salaries as employee with salary. So you are excluding null salaries here. Some salaries. Okay. And then average salaries and minimum salaries here and maximum salaries from the employees here. So you are getting 3 rows here. Okay. This is you are doing a count here. Count on all these.
Okay. How it 3 rows?
Okay. So now let's say this is your entire table. Okay. ID, salary. Okay. So you need to see it how it is aggregating it. First it is counting the salary. Okay. Then it is adding sum of all the salaries. Okay. So now you see it here. ID 4 is the null here, and then in salary ID 4. Okay. ID 6 is also 4 here, null here. So this is taking out all that. Okay. Total salary.
Hello.
Yeah.
Hello.
Yeah, Diya.
Yeah. I'm asking how it came 3 rows. I didn't understand.
You need to see all that tables here. Okay.
Okay.
You need to see all the tables, then only you will be able to understand why there are only 3 employees.
Oh, only 3 employees there. That's why.
Yeah.
Okay. You didn't explain. I think. How explain?
So this query, okay, it will give the summary of the employees table here. Okay. So it will be giving count. Okay. First one is it will count every single row of the employee tables here. Okay. So where you are giving here asterisk here. Okay. So regardless of whether it is having null or not. Okay. This will give you the true count. Okay. Then this one will give you the only rows where the salary column has a actual values. Okay. So then you are doing a sum up of that particular total salary. So you are doing a sum and then you are doing a average of it. Okay? Then minimum and maximum. So then you are getting that particular count here. Okay? Let me do this one. Okay? New query.
Yeah, now I understood. Right,
Again, this department ID is coming here. Instead of department ID, we should be giving it department. Select department. So why this is coming an error?
Hello.
Yeah.
Yeah, you were saying okay.
So why there was an error here? Can you
Why?
troubleshoot that?
Where did you?
Here.
Oh.
So there is an error with department.
Yeah, you give it department. Department name is no department name. Okay, it's invalid and line 10. Line 10 will be the employee ID is invalid. You give it invalid ID.
Okay. Department ID I will type here. Department ID.
But it is not actual.
Okay. Then I will type employee. Employee ID I will type. Department ID. Then employee ID. So hire date. Okay. You will see this.
Hire date.
There is a hire date here. Hire. So now it is querying, but it is not giving the count here. I will make this 0. Okay. So now I am getting it all here, null here. So that is why it is not showing any values here. Select department ID. Okay. Then you are summing up all the salaries. Okay. And then your average salary, you are rounding it off.
It is greater than 0.
Yeah. So you are rounding up the salary here to 2 decimals. Okay. Let's say the decimal value is 75,000 means 75,000.00. Okay.
Yes.
So then your minimum hire date as earliest hire. Okay. maximum hire date is your latest hire date. Okay, when the oldest and newest employees has joined. Okay, then from employees, okay, then you are doing the group, okay, by group and department ID. Then you are having it count greater than 5 years. Okay, so this is your crucial filtering step. Okay, so here you are not going to use where here. Okay,
It is a count greater than 0, right?
yeah, greater than 5 you need to give. Okay, if I am giving 5, okay, so this will give me any department that have 5 or more employees. Okay, so if I am giving it 1 year, then it will give me, if there are more than 1 employee, then it will give me. Okay, they don't have anything in the company HR.
Yes.
Okay, I will execute in here. Let's see if they are having. Execute.
Hmm.
Simply, if we are changing the syntax is not good. See? Okay. So now you are doing a string operation here. Operator. Select asterisk. String ಯಾವುದು? Select the department ID. Okay. Let me read this department ID. Group by department ID. First name, okay, comma, then string, first name, then you do this, okay, with the okay, group, then you do order by first name, you do order by first name as team members. Okay. Then what you do from employees, then group by department ID. Let's see if this works. First name is even whether the team members, yeah, now it worked. Okay, so you are selecting the department ID, okay, with the first name. Okay, so now you are selecting only the first name here. Okay, so then with the department ID, okay, you are ordered by first name Alice, Bob and Carol. You see this, you are
Yes.
aggregating that, okay, from employees, group group by department ID. Okay. So this is grouping by department ID. Okay. So there was a error here. Okay, we were using a order by here instead of within group. Okay. Instead of within group, we are using order by. Now, these are all your constraints here. Foreign key, all this is theoretical part. This is done.
Can we do join?
So we will do join and
Yeah, practical. Functions and join. Functions no need, join. Then subscription.
which one? Join and
Yeah, join.
join.
I'm telling practical.
Yeah, we will see. This employee tables. Okay. Select. Let's see if this is having a valid.
Yeah, we can do tomorrow. Join.
Okay.
Join and subscription.
See, let me edit all these queries tomorrow. Okay. So
Yeah.
tomorrow you have class, right? Only on Saturday we don't have class.
Yes, we have. You said Monday to Friday we have only Saturdays.
Okay, no problem. Okay. Then
Are you
tomorrow.
changing?
No, I am
Are
not.
you changing?
No, I am not changing. Okay. I will stop recording now.